What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-Jeromantics. We are back for another Jerome Ebardome reaction video para sa kanyang performance sa Sky Garden. Akalain nyo, 'di ba? May bago na naman palang ganap itong si Jerome at excited tayong reacta ng kanyang mga performance. But before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh, green grass of home. In fairness, elevated ang stage. May ganitong version pa talaga si Elvis ng green grass. Ganda ng vibrato. Anong event to, guys? Grabe, no? Elvis na Elvis. Kahit na hindi siya yung real audio. Kasi by audience view, guys. Thank you so much po kay Baron Carl Serrano for uploading this. At saka anong event to, guys? Comment down below. Ibalita nyo sa akin. Ganda ng hakot. Grabe yung longing doon, no? 'Di ba? Yung emotion kahit na audience view lang overflowing ang emotion ng siya. Ganda ng switching. Ay, ayan pala si Sir Baron. Mega love shoutout po. Very nostalgic yung green grass of home, no? Saan ang Sky Garden, guys? In fairness, ganda. Ay, parang ito yung sa Bataan pa din ata, no? 'Di ba? Nag-perform na ba sila dito before? Ganda feel na feel talaga, no? Ang ganda ng version na to. Diba? Feel na feel. Hagod. Diba? May exposure ang Baron. Geisler? Sarit. Laki. Ay, hindi ito yung hindi ito yung pinag-performa nila kasi parang nasa building sila. So, pasensya naman. Akala ko yung ganun din kasi yun, 'di ba? Mataas yung stage. Or baka sa Tagaytay ito. Wow. Ganda ng runs. Grabe, Elvis na Elvis na. Love the emotion. Hey! Oh my gosh! Bongga! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome for his performance of Green Green Grass of Home sa Sky Garden. Akala ko sa Bataan to yung unang performance sila na nareactan ko. Parang hindi kasi nasa building. Oo, kasi open ano yun eh, yung nireactan ko nung una. But, of course, nakita niyo naman ang emotion overflowing. Namimiss na natin si Jerome sa TV, no? Sana makabalik na siya sa 8 Bulaga. So, hindi natin alam kung anong mga plano. Baka marami siyang ganap, kaya hindi pa siya nakapag-guest ulit sa 8 Bulaga. But, again, shoutout po to Baron Carl Serrano. Thank you so much for this video. Sobrang nakakatuwa dahil even if Jerome is not active on TV, marami tayong resources to see his performance at marami siyang ganap at maraming blessing pa rin ang kanyang nare-receive. Kaya naman, super happy tayo dyan. And of course, we're looking forward sa kanyang Elvis Night sa January 14, guys. Support natin yan sa RJTV. Nako, exciting yan. At syempre, abangan natin yan. At sabay-sabay natin din panonoorin dito yan sa True Leisha Diaries. Panoorin yung aking reaction. Okay? Once again, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Leisha Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.